Hi everyone, welcome to another segment of Gardening with God. And today we're going to center around oats. It's getting colder, looking for some cereal and ways to keep warm through the winter, fall and winter, and to keep healthy at the same time. So closing down the gardens means bringing in cereal crops as well as plants and vegetables and herbs. So oats fit right in there with the cereal. So did you know that there are 8 ways we can store oats in our pantry? There's, I guess you're all familiar with the instant oats. And of course there's the large flake rolled oats, both lovely to cook with. But there's also oat groats, and that's whole oats, intact except for the hull of the oats, and that takes 60 minutes to cook. And we have Steelcut oats, don't have any of those on hand. They're Irish oats, they take 20 minutes to cook. And we have Scottish oatmeal, it takes about 10 minutes to cook. And there's oat bran. Old-fashioned oats we've spoken of, the rolled oats, they take 10 minutes to cook. And we have also the quick oats, which I showed you, 5 minutes to cook, and instant oatmeal, just 1 minute to cook it up, so if you're in a hurry. And then last but not least, there's oat flour, which you can bake and cook with. And I decided to try a new recipe. It's for autumn breakfast crisps, and they come out just lovely. They're beautiful squares, and lots of chewing to them, and crispy as well. And none of those are made, or we didn't speak of anything about wild oats, but the Bible speaks about wild oats in Psalm 25 and 7. The Message Bible says, "Forget that I sowed wild oats," meaning sinning. "Mark me with your sign of love, Lord. Plan only the best for me, God." So I hope that you can make and use oatmeal, but try with the power of the Holy Spirit not to sow old wild oats. And I'm going to do the same. God bless you. Bye for now.